Hello! In this video I will show you how to install GPT Widget on OnePlus Pad 2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now you can select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And now click this button to skip introduction. Then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you have to click back and click back again. And now click start. And as you can see, here's your GPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.